class. Today we'll talk about how can you enable reports notifications on your Trace app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You just go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next here, just click on notifications here. Then you come to next step. Then all you have to do, just click here on threads and replace. Then you just go down, you keep going down here. Then you click here on additional options in system settings, just click on it. Come to next step here, click on notification categories. So then you go down, just come to reports, just click in this sign like you see this color over us. As my reports notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.